your rough notebook, draw the solar system and then color it. Finished? Which is the smallest planet, children? Which is the smallest planet?
Mercury.
Very good.
Mercury.
Very good. Mercury. And which is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Very good. Okay. And then which is the third planet? Which is the third planet? How many is the third planet? Children, try to say the sentence, children, okay? When I ask you which is the smallest planet, how will you say? Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay, whenever whoever is asking you question, you have to say it in full sentence. Try to say it in full sentence. Okay? And now, which is the blue planet? Which is the blue planet?
Neptune.
How will you say it in sentence? How will you say it in sentence?
Neptune is the blue.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Neptune is the blue planet. Very good. And which is the red planet? Red planet. Very good. Which is the red planet? Mars is the red planet. And all the planets, they go around the... All the planets go around the...
Go around the sun.
Very good. All the planets go around the sun. Finished? Shall I stop sharing, children? Yes, Ma Zeddy?
Uranus and Saturn.
Which planet comes with rings?
Ma'am, she says colored, ma'am. Uranus and Saturn, ma'am.
What color you want, you can give, Ma Zeddy. Brown, orange. What color you want, you can give. Dark blue for Uranus. Very good, Makavyani. Okay, very good, Makavyani. Which planet comes with rings, children? From the rhymes book, right? But how will you answer? Which planet comes with rings means how will you say? Saturn is the planet which comes with rings, or Saturn comes with rings. That's it. Not in line, okay? Okay, next is how many planets are there in the solar system? There are there are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, after finishing this, I want you to draw only the sun, moon and star, and then you yourself are going to write the spelling for it. Okay? Sun, write the spelling. And then moon. Write the spelling. And then star. Write the spelling. Sun. What's the spelling for sun? Who knows?
S-U-N, sun.
Very good, Marita. S-U-N, sun. Okay. Next, what is the spelling for moon? M-O-N, moon.
M-O.
Mm.
M-O. M-O.
U means what will come, children? U means double O. Two O will come. So, M means M. U means double O. And then N means N. Moon. M-O-N.
Start.
Moon. Who knows the spelling for star? Yogita, don't say.
Start spelling.
Others say the answer, ma, except Rohita. Who knows the answer for star? What is the spelling for star?
Yes. Start.
S-T-A-R, star. Very good, Siddharth. Good morning, Siddharth.
Good morning, ma'am.
S-A-R. Good morning, ma. S-T-A-R. Star.
H. Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. Good morning, Umma ma'am.
Good morning, ma. Janvi.
Ma'am, cheese.
What, ma? Finish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. Vishant.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dikshan. Come on, draw the sun, moon, and star and write the spellings. Sun, moon, star.
Finish, ma'am.
Children, in assessment, you will not be given the pictures. Words will be given. So, identify the words. Spelling for sun, moon, star. Finish? Kavyani, finish? Very good. Shall I come back, children? Want me to show?
Ma'am? Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
What, ma?
Ma'am, string. Sorry, the string.
Achacho. I deleted it actually. Sorry. Who's that? Janavia?
It's okay, ma'am.
Sorry, Janvi. Sun, moon, and star.
Okay, ma'am.
Only that. Very good. You have here also, you can see Janavi. Can you see here? Look at me here, back.
Yes, ma'am.
Sun, moon, and star. That's it. Draw it and write spelling of sun, moon, and star. Okay? Finish, children. We'll start the session.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Very nice, man. I take. Okay, today's Kids Anthem is by Kavyani. I think you are wearing uniform, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, give me.
Kavyani, Kids Anthem. Finish? Shall we start? Wait, ma, Kavyani, wait.
It's there.
Wait.
Wait, ma. Wait. Let everyone stand up. Wait. Very good, ma. Daddy. Good. Very good. Everyone finished? Close your notebook. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Start, ma. Kavyani. Kids anthem.
anthem. Your me, your infinite, your unique, my potential inside. Your something beneath my sight, you define me, my potential inside. Today I test solving.
I shall.
My potential inside. So, my children, good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning, children is my dialogue. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, Kavya. Very good morning, children. Children, don't take my dialogue. Okay? Very good morning, children is my dialogue. Okay. Okay. Very good morning. Okay. Stand up. Don't sit. We'll do the activity. Stand up. Take your book. I love you too, Daddy. Take your book. Keep it in your head. What activity is that? What activity is that? What will you say that when you take the book? Very good. Balance walk. Well done. Balance walk. Come on. Very good, ma. Satvika. Good.
Ma'am, Raida, ma'am.
Rohita. Good, Rohita. Close the book and yeah. Keep it in your head. Chucho. Very good, Kavyani. Diction. Good. Well done. Hashini. Vishank. Ritvik. Very good. Well done, children. You've improved a lot. Very good. Well done. Now bring your ball. Bring your ball. Bounce and catch it. Go bring your ball. Very good, ma Vishank. Well done, Vishank. Bring your ball, children. Bounce and catch the ball. Nukshita, how it will bounce on the bed, Nukshita? Oh my God.
Malichu, Raida, Malichu. Ma'am, చూడండి.
Very good, Rohita. Good. Well done. Very good. Night is good. Nukshita, correct, Nukshita. Good. Well done. Where is Hashni? Dikshan. Good, ma. Come on. Don't run, Dikshan. Stand in your place and catch. Put it slowly. Drop it slowly. Now you catch. That's it. Good. Very good, Kavyani. Well done. Satvika. Vivan. Hashni. Good. Bounce and catch, Hashni. Very good, Nukshita. Good. Don't throw it on the laptop, ma. Well done. Very good. Very good. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay, now come on. Go drink 1 glass of water and come back. Get ready for the attendance. Children, do you remember for the attendance, I told you to do any game activity, right? Action, sorry. If it is cricket, you will play like this. If it is basketball, you will throw like this. And then if it is volleyball, close your hand and you will kick the ball with your hand like this. And if it is football, how will you kick ball with your leg? The activity you will do like that. Archery, you will do action like this. And then, what are all the outdoor games we saw? Tennis, badminton, tennis down like this, badminton up like this. Okay? Shall we start? Ready? Dev Krish, Danvin, Tanvin. Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan. Come on, do the action. Any game. What game is that? What game
Volleyball.
is that? Volleyball. You have to name the game first, okay? Parnas. Action. Very good, ma. Lakshana, good. Mute yourself, okay? Hashini.
Here I am, Manila, ma'am. Archery.
What game?
Archery.
Very
Archery.
good. Jahanavi.
Here I am, Manila, ma'am. My name is Janavi.
I love you too, Jahanavi. What game you are going to do? What is the action you are going to do? Which game? Cricket, football, basketball?
Volleyball.
Huh?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. What is the action for volleyball?
Do like this.
See, you have to join your hands like this. And then you have to kick the ball. Very good. Jahanavi, good. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Here I am, ma'am. And on the basketball.
Good. Kavyani.
Here I am, ma'am. Football.
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 Okay, good. Very good, Kavyani. Naitek. Naitek.
Yes.
Naitek.
Magic is yes, ma'am.
What action?
Basketball.
Basketball. Okay, very good. Nukshita.
Most candy good.
Nukshita.
Yes.
What game, ma, Nukshita? What? Football. Okay, very good. Pranita.
Ma'am, cricket.
Cricket. Do the action. Very good, Pranita. Rohita.
Rohita. Chabu.
Ma'am, I'm basketball.
Play the basketball then. How will you play basketball? You sit and play basketball like that.
Football.
Basketball means you have to throw the ball inside the basket. You have to lift your hands and throw it inside. That is football, Rohita. What confusion? Anyhow, good, Rohita. Ritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
what game?
Volleyball, ma'am.
Come on, play and show me. Do the
Volleyball,
action.
ma'am. Volleyball, ma'am.
Okay. Nitila. Nitila. Absent. Satvika. Satvika. What game, ma?
Ball.
Football. Very good, Satvika. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Do the action. Basketball. How will you play basketball?
No, ma'am. He said archery.
Archery. Okay. I can't hear. If you speak loudly only, I can hear.
Archery.
It's like you are hitting my nose. Okay. Tarnika. Tarnika. Absent, Tarnika. Oh my God. Vishank. Vishank.
I don't have no ball, ma'am.
If you don't have ball, no problem. Ma. Do the action. That's it. What game do you like? You like basketball? Do the action like this.
Basketball.
Basketball with one hand. Okay. Vivan. Vivan.
Look, I have football. Papa has.
Football. How will you play football?
How will you play football? Action. Here and count.
Yes, very good. Vidyut. Zedi.
Yes, ma'am.
What action you are going to do, Zedi? Football. Volleyball. What game? What is it? Volleyball. Okay. Lakshana. Good. Lakshana. 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 What game, Lakshana? Badminton. Very good. Badminton. Good. How will you play badminton?
Play பண்ணி காமிங்க.
Okay, good, Ma Lakshana. Well done. Okay, thank you so much, children. And then, shall we move on to the worksheet? Before that, we'll do that augmented sheet, okay? I want you to take this sheet. Come on. Triceratops. What is this? Vivan, you know, right? What is this? Triceratops. What's the name of this dinosaur? Triceratops. Okay, Triceratops. You all have colored it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. If you turn at the back, all the detail about this dinosaur is given. Okay. This dinosaur with big horns on head and a bony frill around the neck is called Triceratops. Can see the bony frill? Can you see here? Yes. Though Triceratops looks scary, this dinosaur is actually herbivorous. Do you know what is herbivorous? Herbivorous means that animals, they will eat only the plants. They will not eat other flesh of other animals. Okay, herbivorous means they will eat only the plants. Okay, and then herbivore means an animal that eats plants and grass. From their low head, we can assume that they ate grass and short plants. They may also have been able to knock down taller plants by smashing them with their horns and their body. How they knock out all the taller plants? With their horns. Okay? And then a Dinobot is the shape of Triceratops, appeared in the franchise Transformers as a powerful member of the good Autobots. Okay, now we are going to fill in all the blanks given here. First question is, Triceratops have big dash on their head. What do they have? A big dash on their head. What is that? What is that? Big horn. Horns. 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 First one is horns. Look at the screen and write, children. And the second one is, Triceratops have a bony dash around their neck. Bony frill.
Frill.
Frill. Frill. This is number one. Number two, frill. 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 Finished?
Black man.
Very good. And the third one is Triceratops eat dash and grass. What do they eat? They eat plants and grass. Plants. Third answer is plants. P L A N T S. Plants. Right, Ma? Ritvik, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Plants. Triceratops may have been able to knock down taller plants by smashing them with their what? Horns and their body.
Person.
First plant is horns. Horn.
கண்டு தட்டி
And the next plant is
என்ன இருக்கு மனுஷங்க
body. B-O-D.
வைத்து காட்சி
Mute yourself. After finishing it, you can scan the picture. Finish, children. Finish. Now scan it. You want me to scan? While scanning itself, you can take a picture also, parents. Triceratops. When you scan it, you will get like this. And you have a camera also here, children. Yes, parents, you can make your child stand and you can take a photo also along with it. If you click this, you will get a photo like this. You can make it stand near your child and then you can take a photo and send it in group. Here. It will be bigger like this. Can you see? You can make your children sit and you can take a snap also and send it in group if you take it. Shall we see the attack of this? See how it is hitting with the horn. See there, attack. My God, is it scary? And then shall we see how it is running? my God, it's running on my laptop. What to do? Children. Oh my God. From tomorrow onwards, how will I take my class? See, it's going to again run on my laptop. See, it's running on my laptop, children. What to do? Like this, you can take a snap also, children. See here. Ask your parents to take a snap. See, I took a snap along with my laptop. Yes? Try to take a snap and send it in group. I'll also see how you have taken. Okay? Uh-oh. When you go back, no, it will become bigger and bigger. See, when you go back, it becomes bigger and bigger. See here? Can you see? Now it has become bigger, right? Huh? No. It's going to break my laptop. Yeah, that's it. I can see every children are shaking their hand. Children, are you so afraid? Why? Okay, children. Going back. Come on, scan like that. Take a snap and send it to me, children. I want to see how you have taken it. Okay, send it in group. Without fail, take a snap and send it. Yes, ma Janavi? What? Unmute and say Janavi. What? What, ma?
Superman.
Super. Okay, like that. You take a snap along with the Triceratops. We won't get that opportunity again, right? Can we go and see those animals? They are all extinct animals. We can't see them, right? So this is an opportunity. Come on, stand with the dinosaur. Take a snap and send it in group. Okay? I want to see everyone. Let me see how you are all giving your poses to the dinosaur. Okay? Shall we move on to our worksheet? Finished, everyone? Keep your augmented sheet aside. Take your worksheet. Worksheet number 150, empty. More or less. More or less. Write today's date. What's the date today? Yesterday was 8. Today is? What is today's date? Very busy. 9. Yeah, 9-3-2-1-21. Page number 150. Empty. Like this you will have more or less. Circle the group that are the lesser items. Less items. Very less items. Not the more items. Okay? Come on. Circle the very less item. Less item means konjama irukku. Ready? Both coming. 150 CT.
Okay.
Maybe it may be different, but the exercise will be the same. Come on, Vivan, write today's date. Children, first you should write the date. And then only you will start doing the exercise. Should not at all forget that, okay? Start, Maroita. What happened? Very scared of that dinosaur, ah? Come out of that. Okay? It will not break my laptop, you don't worry. Finish. Come on, what's the answer? First, which is less here in this first box? Very good. This is less. 2 balls, right? Very less. This is less. And then the second one, which is less, dice. Here you have more dice. And here you have very less. So this one you will circle. You all know that. Then too I am telling you. And the third one is table tennis. Which is less, this one or this one? This one. Very good. And the fourth one is cards.
Yes.
Which is less, this one or this one?
Yes.
This one. Very good. Well done, Manukshita. Those who are finished, take the next page. Write the correct number names. Write the correct number names. Before that, write today's date. Very good, Kavyani. More or less. Good. Next page, write today's date. Is there anyone who is still guiding your child to find out which is more and which is less? Is there anyone? No, everyone knows it, right? If there is any issues like that, please let me know, parents. Okay, here. First, here there are many color balloons here. Right, so whatever question is asked, who is going to read the question for me? Who is going to read? Siddharth, read the first question.
So, number on red.
The
Number
R-E-D, red. This is balloon spelling.
Ah.
B-A-L-L-O-O-N is balloon. Okay? The red balloon is for... See the number, what is written in the red color balloon? What is the number that is written in the red color balloon? Huh? What is the number, children?
15.
1, 5, 15. So you are going to write the number name here. 1, 5, 15.
Ma'am, you have to
Yes,
write
ma'am.
as words or
Yeah,
number.
number name. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Okay, ma'am.
15. F-I-F T-E-E-N. 15. Red color balloon is 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Look at the screen and write, children. I want everyone to look at the screen and write. Satvika. Right, Maritvik? No fighting. Afterwards, you fight with your mama. Now you write.
Ma'am ZD is not writing, ma'am.
Why, Ma Zeddy? I'm watching you. Come on, write. Sit properly and write. ठीक से बैठो. चलो लिखो जल्दी. Good girl, na Zeddy. Come on. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Zeddy, all your friends are also watching you, Zeddy. If you are not writing, what they will say? Zeddy is a bad girl, like that, no? Come on, write. But Zeddy is a good girl. Right. Fast writing. Come on. Next, you are going to senior KG. So write fast, children. Try to write fast. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Parents teach them how to use the eraser also. Slowly how to rub what they have written wrongly. because this sheet when you erase it will not tear, but in notebooks when they don't know to erase, the paper will tear. So slowly give them practice how to erase. Give them the eraser in their hand, let them erase on their own, then only they'll know. Otherwise they'll crush the paper when they go to school next year. Left hand hold the paper, right hand slowly erase it with the eraser. Okay?
I'm finished.
Very good. Everything you will finish, Hashni.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
one is the orange balloon is for what number is written in the orange balloon?
I'm also
What number
finished.
is written in the
Ma'am,
orange
Pranita
balloon?
finished.
Very good.
Ma'am,
12, 1 to 12. T W E L V E. How did you finish, Pranita? You took your grandpa's help. What did I tell you, children? You don't know the spelling for 13, 14 and all. I very well know, children. You don't know the spelling for 13, 14 and all. How will you finish? Huh? I've already advised you not to listen to your parents or grandparents. Look at the screen and write. Slowly follow my advice. Mute yourself. Who wants to talk? Yes, Karthikeyan, tell me. Okay, yellow color is 12. But my book it is orange in color. Okay. Yellow or orange, whatever it is, that is 12. Now the third one is the green balloon is for 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Hashini, spell number name 11. Don't look at your book.
11 spelling.
11. E, E, Great escape. Okay. Great escape. எப்படியோ தப்பிச்சிட்டேன். Okay. If you have not said the number name, no? Children, 11. Green color balloon, 11. And next is the purple balloon is for what number is written in the purple balloon? What number is written, Satvika? Satvika? Yeah, 1, 4, 14. For 14, first you will write the spelling for 4. F-O-U-R, 4. And teen spelling, T-E-E-N, 14.
Ma'am,
Yes?
Zedi wants to hold her hand, ma'am, and then write, ma'am.
For what, Zeddy? What
She
happened?
is a
Are you
small
still in
girl,
nursery?
ma'am. She is a
Are you
small
still
girl.
You're still in nursery, yeah? Then we'll leave her in playgroup.
Yeah, ma'am.
Zeddy? No pranking and all. Come on, write. I know you will write. Come on. Write fast. Should not hesitate to write. Zeddy. Senior KG, you have lot to write. At that time, what you will do? At that time, who will help you?
No, ma'am. She is big girl,
Good girl,
ma'am.
Zeddy. Come on, write. Otherwise, ma'am is not going to talk with you. Right.
Wait, 11.
The
L.
last one, 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Finish 14, everyone. Shall we write 13? T-H IR. What will come next? Teen, what spelling? TEEN, 13. Are you writing, Janavi? Yeah, walking.
I'm roaming here and there, ma'am. She's not sitting in her place.
Yeah, I can see. I'm seeing you, Janavi. You think that I'm not watching you? You say you love vanilla, ma'am, but you're not obeying vanilla, ma'am. What is this? Yes? Don't hesitate to write, children. It's for your own good. Please don't hesitate to write. Okay, next is worksheet number 151, CT. 151 CT coloring sheet. What game is that? This one. What game is that? Very good. Hockey stick and the ball here. Okay, come on. First, color the hockey stick and ball. And then you are going to write the spelling also. HOCKEY, hockey. It's given here. Look at the spelling here and write it below here. Okay? Hockey spelling is already given here. And right here, before that, write today's date. Come on. That's it. Take the page and do ma Pranita. Hockey 151 CT. Hockey HOCKEY. First you can write the name of the game also. It's your wish. And then also you can color. Or else color it and then you write. It's your wish. HOCKEY. Hockey. First of all, write the date and then start writing. Finish up. This girl, no. How big you're writing, Mahashni? Why your handwriting is like that? Come on, erase it. Draw a line and give it to her, Hashni's mom or dad, whoever is there.
Okay.
Draw a line. Write in that line. You have to have control in your handwriting, ma. Come on, erase and write properly. Chinna chinnada eludunga alaga. Whenever you are telling a child, write something, draw a blank and give them. Draw a dash or line. And then you give it to them. Let them write on the line. Otherwise, it will be very messy only. From top to bottom, they'll write in a slanting way. Very good, Marita. Good. Well done. Good. Well done. Okay, ma. How many times? Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am. Always busy, this girl. Want to do something. Yes? If I give you the whole book, you will finish it. Sit and finish it with one day.
Rohita, finish.
Very good, Maritvik. That's it. Very nice coloring, Maritvik. Good. Well
Thank you,
done.
ma'am.
Come on, children, finish first. One more activity is there. Close your books. Ma'am is going to write some words. You are going to identify the word, okay? If you are finished, close the book. Those are finished. Color it fast, children. It's just a hockey stick and a ball. Very good. Yeah, good, Ashni. Naitik finish. Kartikeyan, Naitik, Nukshita, Siddharth. Still coloring, ah? Good. Kartikeyan, Naitik, good. Kavyani finish. Very sleepy, Kavyani.
Oh, ma'am.
You look
Finish,
very fresh
ma'am.
lying down.
Finish,
Show me how you
ma'am.
have colored. How you have colored, show me.
Okay, ma'am. Finish.
Good. What? Black color. Okay, fine. Fine, good. Yeah, good man, Nukshita. Well done. Kavyani. Happy girl. Okay, children. Now I'm going to write the words, okay? Ready? Ready? Eyes on the screen. No looking here and there. I want Satvika to sit. Jahnavi, if you don't want to write, it's okay. Come on, identify the word. Sit properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Sit properly.
Sit properly. Ready? Shall we start? First one.
H.
You need not spell it. Come on, identify the word. What is it?
Chitika, loudly. Children.
What now, Pranita?
Not sleepy, Rohita. Check. What is that?
What is it, children? Don't know, huh? Nobody knows?
Rohita says.
Very good.
I don't know. Earth.
Very good. Earth. Okay, next spelling. Moon. Very good. Moon. Well done. So next is all of the answer children. What is it? Star. Very good. Star. Kavyani. Answer Kavyani.
S-U-N.
Janvi. What is it? Janvi.
What is this?
Janvi.
Read the spelling.
Sun. Very good. Pranita, mute yourself. Pranita, unnecessarily don't unmute. When you say the answer alone, you unmute yourself. Lakshana, unmute yourself. What is it? It is a planet name. It starts with N. You need not read the spelling. Just guess. Very good, Karthikeyan. What is it? Neptune. Which planet starts with letter N? Neptune. Like that you have to identify, okay? Next is, which planet name starts with U? What is the planet that starts with U? What is it?
Uranus.
Very good, Zedi. Uranus. Well done, Zedi. Next is, which planet starts with the spelling J? Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay. And next is game. What is the name of this game? What is it? Cricket. Very good. Cricket. Football. Kavyani, Nukshita, try to answer. I get repeated answers from the same children. Come on. Janvi, try to answer.
Football. Volleyball.
Read out the spelling.
Basketball. Very good. Basketball. Good.
G-O-L-F.
Golf.
Very good, Janvi. All these letters alone you say, Janvi. Only writing is difficult. Goal. Very good. Goal.
White. Archery.
Very good, Nukshita. Archery. Very good. Archery. Good. Next one is,
What is this? Carom.
C-A-R-R-O-M.
बोलो carom.
Carom.
very good, Siddharth.
Carom board.
Very good. Okay, next, what game is this? Chess. Very good, my picture. Chess. Ludo. What is it? Ludo. Ludo. Okay, Ludo. Next is, what did I forget? Finally, this is the ice game, children. What is the ice game that we learned? What is the ice game we learned? Skating. Very good. Skating. Okay, this is the ice game. Skating. Very good, children. Well done.
Snake and ladder, man.
Yes, ma, Sadie?
Snake and ladder.
Snake and ladder, I forgot. Okay, tomorrow I'll write and show you. Okay? Thank you so much, Zadie. Okay, thank you so much, children, for your cooperation. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Vanilla ma'am. Bye.
Bye.